Hello. Welcome back to day 5 of 31 days of Halloween makeup. As you guys can see, my base is already done. So you could do, this is not about the base. I also did straight brows. My brows are naturally curvy, so the straight brows wasn't really as straight as I wanted it to be. I just wanted to do something different. You guys are now up close and personal, okay? You're all up in my pores. But this look is Skarlet. And she's actually one of my favorite characters to fight with. She was in Mortal Kombat 11, not the newer one, but she was in Mortal Kombat 11. I haven't seen her in the newer one, so I don't think she is. Yeah, just MK11. And she's my favorite character to play with. I don't have the new one, the new game, because I'm waiting to get the PS5 Pro. I think I want to gift it to myself for Christmas. My birthday's in 2 weeks. I don't think I'm gonna, it's not out until, yeah. I want to get it for myself for Christmas. And I'm just gonna wait until I get, it's the same thing with like God of War. I have to wait till I get like the new PlayStation. Anyway, the look I'm doing here is pretty simple. All of it has been simple to me anyway, but this is just having like a nice good layer of base on and adding gemstones to this to the right side of my face, mostly just around my eye area, and I thought it would be fun. I didn't want to do anything gory. I've been saying it in the past videos. Maybe 1 or maybe 3 looks tops would be super gory this whole month, but you know, when people are going to Halloween parties, the trend in the past couple of years has been people going really, really pretty. Even when it's like makeup, it's like, or if there's prosthetic, it's like still pretty. It's not super gory. People are going to parties like looking pretty and looking sexy and all that. So I just wanted to make the makeup looks really fun. Like no matter what you go as, I still want you to be able to just like put your makeup on, what you already have. Because, you know, when you start buying Halloween outfits and accessories, all that stuff adds up. And it's like you're wearing it for that one day. All of it adds up. Okay. So I just kind of wanted to do something pretty and fun for all of the looks. They're going to be on the prettier glam side. Even if it's like there's some looks where we do body painting or face painting, it's still going to be like on the prettier side. So that's what I'm going for here. This look though, I will tell y'all, is very repetitive. That's why I'm just like storytelling at this point, because I'm just gluing the gems of different sizes. I used, I think, 4 sizes or maybe 3 sizes, and I just added them as I was going. I didn't really have a specific like I knew what I wanted it to look like, but I wasn't like crazy on it being perfect. I was going with the flow, and when there's some parts of like, oh, I can leave that, I can add that. I'm not gonna lie, I was just going with the flow. And this is why I said this look to me is very simple. You can do any shape you want. You could do, like, I think if you have gemstones that are red, or if you order, and I got these from Amazon, I'll link them below. I have them in like, I think almost every color. So if you guys see a lot of my Halloween looks where I'm just putting gems on my face, don't judge me. Thank you. I literally have them in every color. I have a bucket full of white half pearls. Oh my God, I'm obsessed with pearls. Anyway, so I'm just no rhyme or reason here. I still wanted it to look pretty and cohesive. So you see, I just kept adding stuff, and then, or the gemstones, I just kept adding, where I felt like there was a gap. So I was taking my time. And all the looks, I'm not gonna lie, this took the longest because this is very time consuming. Like it doesn't seem like it, and also this video is sped up, but this is very, very, very time consuming. And I just kept adding more and more and more until my heart was like, okay, you need to stop. Okay. But I like using Skarlet to fight. I asked in another video a couple of videos ago if you guys would guess who my favorite person that I used to fight with. No one has left any comments in any of these videos. So You know, if you like it, if you want to comment, do so. But my favorite fighter is Kung Lao. He's not my favorite character. He's like top three, but I use him all the time. He's so OP because I use him so much. I have so much leveled up his character. He's the one that I use to fight if I'm like, oh, I'm having a difficult time with who y'all assigned to me to fight. So I pick him. I always win. I always win. Anyway, I'm just doing the other eye to make it a little like, I don't want to say grungier, but just, I don't know, tired. I just wanted to use as much red in a very, very pretty way. But I specifically didn't want this to look very vampire-esque. Because she, like, her power, she's a bloodthirsty slasher person. I think that's how I would describe her. So I wanted to use red, but I didn't want it to look like a vampire. That's why made it a little glam, and I didn't really do much to the other eye. And for this look, we actually did not use lashes. Y'all know I be I be using lashes. I tell you it's okay to not use lashes, and it is okay. And I wanted to show it in this look that you don't need lashes for your look to be completed. If I wanted to go overboard, not overboard in a bad way, but I would have soaked my lashes in like red eyeshadow or comb it through red eyeshadow, and I would have put the lashes on. But I just, because I knew I was doing these droplets. And this is a Clarins lip stain, okay? You don't have to go by blood if you're doing something like this. You don't. I just let it drip because that was actually what I was going for. I was going to buy a dropper. I was like, let me just see if it'll pour out. And it poured out. I really was going to order a dropper. I was like, who knows what other looks I'm going to do that requires me to drop blood or do drips of liquid. And I really like the way this turned out. Like I said, the character, she's a bloodthirsty character. She just be slashing. She's my second most used fighter. I'm lying. Third most used fighter. My second most used fighter, I think, is Liu Kang. Anyway, here I'm just using the gloss that I use is also from Clarins. So the lip stain was from Clarins, and then the gloss that I used was from Clarins. They're two different things. Two different products, but it gave me what I needed. And this is it. You know, you don't gotta go out and buy blood. If you have something like this, you just use, and I was just adding more. So it's like, to me, it looked too pretty, too perfect. Like, you know, you see what I mean here? Anyway, that is the finished look. No lashes for us today. My lashes needed a rest. And that's it. You'll see me tomorrow. Bye.